themselves. The government always come in and try to push the people them aside and they not create no better jobs. They not do nothing for we. You see me? See hotel locked down there. What them are gonna do? See them say them are give we set cash and through hotel I pay we one little bit of money. I go pay we up one little bit of money. Anyway, first thing then do, them are tell us say whosoever now get this, whosoever I collect the money from the hotel, now get the set cash or get the whatever they want to call it. What the fuck hotel money have to do with set cash and government? Hotel money we already work for that bad man. You see me? So me want to know, what you going to do for people when the hotel they now open back? What you going to do? You see me? Want to whosoever now no money, now nothing forget from the hotel. You see? Want to tell me what you going to do? You see me? What you going to do for people? You not build no factory. You not do nothing. You see me? Every day you talk about not get investor coming in the country. Investor coming in for full for them pocket. You see me? What about people in the country? You see me? Bad man, we not hide from you. You see me? Yeah, because you can't hide from China pull over bad man. You see me? And you can't hide from Jaw up a blood clot. You don't want to call a place there. Up a wish out. Even though if you tell no, but hear me I tell you. You don't feel like you can't hide. You see me? What you not going to do for people with blood clot and no job? You see it? You don't have to worry about me, you know. Because I tell you this, I'm multi-talented. You see me? So, it's not about me, it's about the people. You see me? So, anything is not for the people. I'm not a part of it. You see me? Yeah, man. So, me want to know Andrew Wellness and the private sector and the whole of them, what you not going to do for the people? Every day you talk about, and you get up and talk about this government is for the people. It's for what? People. Which one are the people them? Matalan them and the whole of them? Them the people eh? Me want to know which people. What you not going to do for the people them, bad man? That I want to know. You see me? Tell me what you not going to do for the people them, cause when this COVID thing over, I want to know say 90% of we are going to suffer. Yeah, because hotel now open back. We know January or maybe March. Yeah, me a forward man. Where what? That's all. Maybe March or what? So can't fight it still. You see me? Just there for just empower ourselves and just know say yo. The right thing we do, you see it? Yeah. Cause government now feed me. You see me, private sector now feed me. Yeah. They may feed me, see them? And this, you have to use your fucking head. Cause if you not try a way to motivate yourself, you know. Government now motivate you. You see me? They want everything for themselves. They want create everything for themselves. You see me? That them are doing, you know. Yeah. But now fight them still. You see me? Make back a chat, go up on the hill car. I have to go up on the work in the morning. Yeah. You see me? 10 steps ahead of them with them, man. You see me? Them feel like them can do. Fight us. Black people. We need to make them know, say. What them do, they not do nothing for we. They not do nothing for younger generation. They not do nothing for elder people them. You see me? Nothing they not do. Because when this a virus hit, you see me, we face some of it already, you know. But me I tell you, man. You know, say when the pandemic hit, because the pandemic not reach yet, you know. The pandemic are when the people them find food to eat. Can't send them picnic go back to school. Bills to pay. Bad man. You don't know half a story, man. You see me? Half a story has never been told. You see me? And what we just see, just a start. Just a start. After this virus, yeah, Tell me where we are going to go back to. 90% of who have them contract a hotel. All that we have to go reapply, you know. All that we have to go reapply. So, no matter what they try, this not do nothing for we. You see me? This not do a fuck for we. Yeah. Nah, see you not have 1 and 2 hotel that try help the people them about. What about the others? You see me? What about the others? You see me? I hate these people as me I tell you, see? I the piece of land this I mean that talk about earlier. Yeah, I can do a little video a few days ago. Some people come in for me thing I talk about development. And government a develop. Government a develop what? Development and left out the people them come down here come slave and use it with manpower. And build them big hotel and when they done them pay with little and nothing for work. You see me? That them a go do, you know. Pay with little and nothing for work. How much years now you work and you pay can't raise? You tell me. Remember, you know, with that hotel we work $10 an hour. If we did work $10 an hour, you look into it. If we did work $10 an hour, 90% of who they are would have better off. And that them a come do. Them a come in, come build hotel. You can't work $10 an hour. You can't work $15 an hour. Because the government make sure say them pay in a day's pay. You see me? Day's pay, which in they know I not say if you go. You see me? They know I not say if you go, you know. But them come in and them come in with them system, them contract, that is the first thing they do for trick people. They have to trick people for downgrade the people them. Pay a little or nothing. First thing they do, them come with them contract. And then do whatever them feel like do. Tell the people them whatever them feel like tell them. You see me? That's all them doing about people, me I tell no. If we not wise up, we see them wanna go continue left our back. You see me? Enough of them are fucking hog seed. Enough of them left our back like hog seed. That's what me I say so. You can't tell me say it's a government for the people. You see me? What's for the people always have to fight for it. The government never did it to help them, stand up with them and fight for it. So we can't do nothing more than what we can do than just stand up for we. You see me? Stand up for we, cause them only can talk and say a bag of things, the development are going on. But me I tell you no. I tell you say the pandemic not start yet, you know, man. The pandemic start when people can't find money to send back them people at school. All of them people will borrow loan and sit in front of the bank and for pay back the bank. Who work a hotel with the under contract work. You tell me what happen. Interest rate go sky high. Bad man, tell you, you know. We don't see half a war go on it, man. The interest rate go sky high. And we can't go pay back them the money there. All of them people who have their house a bill will take out loan for build their house. Cause you can't work down a hotel for build house. As I tell you. Because we don't get paid $10 an hour. See me? So I just say go still we have to just know say we have to do the right thing. And stand firm. You see me? Stand up like a man, as the Vibes Cartel say. You see me? Remember, you know, government want to move, you know. We turn refugee in our own country. You see me? That's why the Vibes Cartel say them really take poor people for food. Yeah. That's why they fight you so youth. That's why they fight you so. You see me? Yeah, man, you open the people them eyes to a lot. You see me? Even the people, not even the people them like the younger generation. In a year time when you just bust. You see me? You open the people them eyes. So that's why them fight you so youth. So anyway you're there, just go and hold it, man, cause and pussy I can't do nothing more than what them can do. You see it? Yeah. Big up the real boss anyway in there. One done, one. One musical genius. Otherwise I'm Bob Marley. Remember I tell you if I'm not Bob Marley, I'm on the high cheese or whatever you want to call it. You know? So 10 steps ahead of them youth. Yeah. Try to go back up in the community, you know. Yeah. This a piece of wall, yeah. Them want to lick down. This a piece of wall I built before me born. Down here is a fisherman beach before me born. And this a piece of wall them want to lick down. You see me? And carry it on this a piece of wall over there for now. You see me? Yeah. Back to Old Fort Bay. They want to connect it from that piece of property there. So you know they want to hold of this a little piece here. And we know if you have nothing like community. We know if you have access to the beach, because guess what? We are all nigger. You see me? We are all nigger. Who them? When this land went there, so where them come from? I come board them myself. You see me? But it's going to reach if you reach, you know. You see me? And all of them are going to see it again and comment and talk about of things. But I'm telling this. Bad man, we are rebel, I'm not afraid of none of you see me? Yeah. Whosoever feel like say they can do something and just do what you have to do. A man not scared of no bad man. You see me? Man born as a rebel youth. You see me? Born to suffer and born to survive. You see me? And I fittest of the fittest. Always I gotta do that. Yeah. Yeah man. Big up on yourself people, just like and share. You see me? Share with friends and family, make them see. What them I do too we down here at Jamaica, you see me? We not on the rights, we not have nothing down here. You see me? Yeah. So me back up in the community again, up on the highway. You can see. All of that piece of property and I just go walk out. Show the people them want to go on. This they have it to use here though. Fence we have. Yeah. So guess what? If you do like what Marcus Garvey said to the people them, you see me? One vice man, one people. If you can't stand up for your right, you feel already, you see me? I eat man.